Hey everyone, I hope this video finds you well. Just giving you a quick rundown that we'll be doing this week for CHS argumentation for Tuesday, April the 14th through Friday, April the 17th. It's a pretty quick overview because we're really just kind of focusing on student congress here. So the big thing is remember that for everybody, speech planner and your works cited page is going to be due by the end of tomorrow, Tuesday, April the 14th. So I'll show you in Google Classroom where that is here in a moment, but make sure that your speech planner, works cited page submitted. That speech planner, if you want to write on it via Notability, you certainly can. If you want to type in it and make your notes that way, I'm perfectly fine with that. If you want to submit your own outline via Google Doc, that's perfectly acceptable as well. But you want to make sure you have that in your works cited page. And then really for the rest of the week, well, not almost the rest of the week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, remember you'll be submitting your speeches on your individual dates that have been selected. And I sent that a link out to that Google Sheet via Remind earlier this evening on Monday. So, feel free to take a look at that if you need to double check when your dates would be. You don't have to attach anything to yours other than your speech. You can send the file of your speech if you want to upload it to YouTube and send me the link that way. That's fine as well. Makes no difference to me. The rubric that you have, you don't have any responsibilities. That's simply for me so that I can make comments and then return that to you so that you can see the personal feedback. And I'll then take all of those speeches that you do, not the grades, but I'll take the speeches and post those to Google Classroom on Friday so that everyone can view them, and then that'll kind of help facilitate a Q&A session as well as pro-con speeches for next week. I would like to do a Friday Zoom meeting this week on Friday at 10 o'clock to kind of set up, actually we'll do it at, at 9:06. We'll do our normal class time in order to kind of schedule how we'll do that Q&A and pro-con speech setup and whatnot. So Friday morning, we'll do a Zoom session during our normal third period time so that we can set all of those things up and be good to go. I believe your second period starts at 9:06, or your third period. So we'll do it then shortly after 9 o'clock. But you see on Google Classroom, everything for you here is remote learning. So there's your weekly planner, which I was just kind of going over with you, that has all those dates. The only things really you have to worry about, again, are your speech and works cited page. You already had your 5 argument organizer taken care of, so that's good to go. And then your speeches via the schedule on the Google Sheet. So when you go to submit your speeches, you'll just put them into this final assignment. That rubric, again, no responsibility of you, because that just gives me the opportunity to fill some material in. So make sure you keep that rubric there so that I can still do your grade. But then you see that your works cited page is going to go in one particular file, and then your student congress speech planner will be going in another file. So I'll have access to those things and be able to put those grades in for this week. So I think it should be pretty straightforward, but should you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and I'll try to clarify some things for you. But I'm looking forward to seeing your speeches this week. It'd be good to kind of get back into the swing of things so far as an argumentation. So good luck with those. Just make sure that you do have your rebuttal. Remember, you're going to be addressing what you would view as being potential counter arguments, and then also make sure you do reference your 2 sources and use your eloquence as we have been doing since our last speech. So any questions, send me an email, remind, leave a message via Google Classroom. Any of those things would be fine. But I hope you and your families are doing well, and I hope you had an opportunity to kind of recharge a little bit over our 4-day weekend and kind of get back into the swing of things. So I'll see you this week. Hope to see you Friday morning for a Zoom. It'll be good to kind of catch up with everyone again. So have a good week. Take care. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye.